Hello guys, this one is 22 Explorer ST. As new SUV Explorer, customer hit a curve while driving, and look at that, tie rod that should be straight, but it's too much bend. And steering center is off also. And this one is new one part, tie rod. Should like this straight tie rod, and then but it's too much bend. So easy to replace the inner tie rod. First lose the outer tie rod knot, and then 1 millimeter. And using the impact is so much easy, fast. And then lose the outer tie rod jam knot. And then you take it out from the knuckle, and then counterclockwise, and then take it out outer tie rod. And then I usually measure how much depth of outer tie rod jam knot, because after you install the inner tie rod, and then when I install the outer tie rod, it's much easier to install how much install the outer tie rod. And then remove the dust cover like this from between subframe and steering gear. And our part guy didn't order the steering boot in a clamp, so I try to reuse it. When I reuse this clamp, just gently pray out spread clamp pinch area. So gently pray out using the pray bar or sometime in your both hands, and then take out the steering boot from the steering gear. Nothing damages steering gear boot, and then also clamp looks good, so I can reuse this one. There is a special tool for inner tie rod, but my tool doesn't fit this one. New Explorer 2020 model. So I usually use this one with high branch. It's so much easy and it works great. So compared to this new one and all broken or bent tie rod, too much bend, and I just one drop the thread lock sealant. That's good. So I put it back to the steering gear, and then tighten as much as your power is good. It's almost similar to torque wrench power. So this bolt is good, and the clamp is also looks good. And I put it back to the also this steering boot back on, and then I just the side cutting plier, and then pinch it as much as I can, and it's also perfectly sealed. Looks good on clamp and boot. And I put it back to the outer small clamp, and then install the jam nut when I measured how much depth, and then I put it back to the old outer tie rod. If you bend the outer tie rod, you also replace it, but this one looks good. So I put it back to the tie rod to the knocker, and when I finish this job, I look at the visually check the wheel and strut gap. This left side a little smaller than right hand side. Anyway, insurance company wants to check the alignment, and then I check the alignment, and then I lift up again. I check my hammer handle, and then the left side doesn't go in, and then the right hand side goes in and out. So driver side is much negative cameras now. So I performed already alignment is left hand side negative camber, and then I proved again from the insurance company. I changed the knuckle, and then hub, and even bent strut. Look at that disc strut. So after I changed these parts, and then I performed again alignment, all of Spec and camber and toe and cast. So that's good. This is so much easier. Thank you for watching.